Hi guys, my name is Josie Zink and I am a junior and future educator at Kansas State University. Today I'm going to be telling you and showing you the app called Epic. Now this is a literacy-based app for teachers to have access of millions of free resources such as books, audiobooks, and more. It's for students as well. There are audiobooks, videos, Spanish, interactive quizzes, and more. This app is also available in 6 other languages. This site includes 25,000 of the best books for kids, and all for free. As educators, we all know that funds can be tight, and books and resources are expensive. However, this is an affordable alternative that could be really beneficial in combating these costs. And if any of you like things to be organized like me, then you are going to love this app. The books are sorted into categories and then on levels, which is really helpful to pick out books for where you know your kiddos are at. There's also a great opportunity to engage your kiddos and for documentation as well, as each student will have their individual login. I'm on the teacher login right now, so I see all of the resources. However, each student will have their own individual login, and where they will find books and resources personalized for each child's reading level and interest. So that's really helpful. It gives resources for them on their level, and we can see this. We can see how they're doing on the quizzes and on the fluency, and it's just really helpful. However, the one drawback of this particular app is you do need to be a current teacher. For all the students and pre-service educators out there like me, you will have to wait until you graduate and get a job in a school to use this tool. My mother's a kindergarten teacher who uses and loves this app, so she let me browse on it to see what it's all about. In general, this app could be very beneficial as it's highly cost-effective, high quality, and it provides high-quality books for your students at the touch of a button. This is one app to keep in mind for your future classroom. It does also have a very nice search tool that, say I was looking for books on, let's do daily life. Say we're doing some daily life lessons. We can find collections of books, read to me books. Doesn't look like there's any videos on this one, but if there were videos, this is where they would be. And just overall, great organization of resources.